Wow, he has a lot of speed tape on his plane.
Yeah, what's up with that?
Did you just do a tailstrike? Wait, does this mean that... Oh shoot, I gotta warn them! Northwest Flight 1515, this is Sebgo Flight 5J647. We have witnessed your aircraft do a tailstrike. Are you aware? Over. Flight 5J647, this is Flight 1515. We are not aware of our aircraft doing a tailstrike. We will check with ATC to confirm. Copy that, Flight 1515. We suggest that you return back to the airport as soon as possible, just to be safe. Do you copy? Flight 1515, Sebgo Flight 5J647. We have just confirmed with ATC that our aircraft did do a tailstrike. Thank you for telling us. We are now returning back to the airport. Over.
Changi Air Traffic Control to all aircraft. Emergency landing in progress. Clear runway 02C immediately. I repeat, clear runway 02C
Flight 1515,
immediately.
we await your safe return.